SourceNext has been in business for 21 years. We're based in Tokyo. We're actually a public company. And the main business over those years has been distributing software into Japan and developing software. We have now transitioned to developing hardware. So this is our first IoT device that we've developed. And it's a instant translator. So it basically allows people to have conversations bidirectionally and opens up a world of possibilities for people. So the device supports 74 languages. You can do any language to any language. So right now we have it set up as English to German. You could do Japanese to Russian, whatever languages you choose. So we did previously sell a previous version in Japan to enormous success. Everyone's preparing for the 2020 Olympics there. And now this is the new version, the much improved version, which is actually shipping in Japan September 7th and then October 10th in the US. And now we're here at the IFA show looking for partners to bring us into new territories.